Picture during expedition 2009. There, Dundee. Mapab na Nadoyan Cave.
Dapat nagtrapuho na ni sa ano.
Sila ito. So Nadoyan Cave map. In Buluan, 1.2 kilometer long cave. Very nice.
Mo pelutit nyo dito, bisan magdadlagan ni tao sa kub.
Yeah.
Bisan
Nadoyan
ako
Cave.
magdadlagan
No
ni
picture there.
Sasagapot. Pero tilaram sa obliwat po.
2009. Discovered in 2009.
Bow dry and
We're having our breakfast here in Barangay Buluan. Breakfast time.
Il va nous prendre entre deux chiens. Il veut dire, actuellement, François-Henri Cormier est en train de tailler.
Corned beef.
Il est constipé.
Une vraie histoire.
Okay. Preparing our gear. Yeah. So now we're going now to explore Nadoyan 2 Cave. So after Nadoyan 2 Cave, we're gonna explore other caves somewhere in the Lagging Road. So time for exploring here in Barangay Buluan, Calbiga, Samar. Preparing.
Mga 5 milyon giti na sapatos.
Yeah, already prepared. We're in Barangay Buluan?
absolutely.
Yeah, let's go! Go caving in Calbiga. Let's go to Nadoyan Cave. Okay.
Me cave.
Okay, nice.
Et puis t'as plus le vin parce que...
Ouais, mais
Yeah, exploring now. So we're gonna hike for almost 2 hours or 1 hour and a half to reach Nadoyan Cave 2. So somewhere in between Barangay Buluan and Barangay Dalos-Doson and Hinabangan, Samar. Okay. Bye bye, Carabao. Now going back to Biri. Now we are in the crossing. Now we're going now to Nadoyan. This is where we're going to Dalos-Doson. So going to Hinabangan. We're now in the forest. Entering the forest. Yeah, we on the eagle. So bye bye. We rescue the eagle. Yeah, beautiful. We rescue the eagle. So time to fly. So they're gonna fly. The Philippine hawk. So okay. Yeah, jungle trekking. Entrance of Nadoyan. Ini amo na lo Nadoyan na ini din eh. Ha? Amo na entrada Nadoyan.
Kita dyan mo?
Yeah. Nadoyan entrance. Nadoyan Cave. So now we're going to the front of Nadoyan Cave. We found the entrance. Another entrance of the cave. Near Nadoyan Cave. Yeah. Nadoyan Mama Cave. Okay, time for exploring now. Yeah. Entering now Nadoyan Mama Cave.
Mama cave and Papa cave. Baga man ang makakatulpul.
Sisiw ano? Oh. Injury go caving. Grace Bantang. The Explorer, Dora the Explorer. A dead end, so it's not really long. Nice, like this. Nice, big chamber. Okay. Out now in the cave. Cave. Finish the survey. Another cave. Randy! Now we arrive here in Barangay De Los Doson here in Hinabangan. We need to get a guide here. We don't find the cave, so that's why we need a guide. So we get a guide here in Barangay De Los Doson to find a big cave somewhere in this area. We walk from Buluan to De Los Doson, Hinabangan, from Calbiga to Hinabangan. It's hot. Now it's 12. It's really hot. Kami halo-halo. Halo-halo ngayon eh. Pwede mo na sukar. Tama na, sukar. Dahil maura-urahan. Tigpiran usak. Sa halo-halo. And De Los Doson. Mapain na kayo, mapasok. Ano? So, makakanta. Halo-halo. And we have a guide already there going to the cave. May halo-halo. And De Los Doson, Barangay De Los Doson, welcome. Halo-halo time. Waiting for the guide. Let's still go back. Walk from Buluan to De Los Doson. We're gonna get the guide. We still go back to another cave. See you. Yeah, in Barangay De Los Doson. So a few minutes we're going back again to the Naduyan area where there's an Naduyan cave there, part 2. We're gonna explore. We're still getting our guide here in Barangay De Los Doson. So thank you Barangay Captain of Barangay De Los Doson, Hinabangan, Samar for assistance. So now we go back. Tour guide from Barangay De Los Doson. Ano yung mga arang kuya? Yakan? Ha?
Tudak.
Apelido?
Nablo.
Nablo. Ade?
Jill Batula.
O, ang apelido?
Batula.
Batula, Jill Batula. So ang natundo na tour guide anhi Dandi from Barangay Buluan. Ano, ready na? Okay, let's go. Okay. So, makadi na kami. Salamat Barangay De Los Doson. So, balik lang kami dito next time. Balik na kami nga doon na Duyan. So, damo salamat. Kadi na kami.
Andan diha puluan.
So, hiking na kami, hiking. Hiking na. Very hot. Yeah, hiking. Going back to Naduyan. So we're now met the group and now we're continue exploring, now going to Hagodol Cave. We're gonna still find the cave. Hagodol Cave. The mountain. Find another cave. Ano?
Asya na pagsiring kanina madali bin mag-uro sa ini.
Madto?
Da, ya madto.
Huh? Ano? We're going back to Barangay Buluan. So we're not finished the exploring there because there's a pitch about almost 40 meters and we don't bring the long rope and the harness. So we're still looking for the other entrance. That's just only walking going to the cave, but we don't find it. So tomorrow we come back again here to explore. So we have another guide somewhere in De Los Doson gonna show us the cave that we visit last year. There's a Bito there showing Dundee and Kuya there climbing the coconut. So we're gonna drink coconut juice. Yeah. Right now with Kuya. There. Coconut drink. Oh, ladies first. Tagay. Coconut juice drink. Coconut snack time. Snack coconut. Yeah, fresh. Fresh from the tree.
Marasa.
Yeah, marasa. Coco. Good, the coco.
Marasa.
Marasa. Okay.
Marasa. On n'est pas là, c'est une méthode ça. C'est bon, méthode ça. C'est très bon, d'arrêt, méthode ça.
Oui, tu les sors tout entier.
It's hard to get. Okay.
Only a small part.
Yeah. Okay.
Too big.
Yeah. Yeah, nice. Marasa. Yeah, I will get. Yeah, okay. Marasa. Coconut time.
Il faut donc trouver parce qu'il est en bordure d'une plantation.
Marasa. Yummy. Snack time in the road before going back to Buluan. Ubod na ano?
Ubod dan uway marasa.
Ini naman yun. Why?
Ini ubod ini pakul.
Pakol. Ito kang yan diretso. Ubod ang pakol.
Dapat tilawan ako kuya.
Yung ubod han pakol. Banana ubod pakol.
Snack time.
Yummy. Ubod ng pakol. Ubod ng sarap. Going now to Buluan. Back to the base camp. Ha?
Ikaw hunod mayo
Ay, no?
ang tapos nga bulan.
So handa na nga nababoy para pista.
Mayo din.
Oh, bye bye, magila kami. Okay. To the road now, going to Buluan. Yeah. 30 minutes we arrive in Barangay Buluan.
From the Los Dosin.
From Dalos Doson in Hinabangan. Back now to the Buluan base camp. Yeah, finally. Yeah, back. And Rodney is already here. Welcome back again, Barangay Buluan.
Welcome back.
Ano, Glenn, okay la?
Kailang.
Kailan mo kamot?
Kailang, fight.
Tamang.
Ah, nakiving na ya.
Nagalit. Hindi na pang tukod.
Kakatol ada kakatol.
Yeah, no. Time to take a rest.
Okay.
Yeah, back to Buluan. This is the elementary school. So Buluan now. Just going around and back to the base camp. To Dundee house. Okay. Salamat, tatay. Let's go. The basketball court. Barangay Hall. Yeah. Hall, Buluan. Yeah. Barangay Hall, we stay here in 2009 expedition. Oh, dili mo kami mo kayo nung una, no? Pati didiliwad.
Buhi pa ikuan.
Yun, oh. Oh, ha?
Buhi pa.
Oh, buhay pa. Sige, kumusta? Kaya makita tayo yung video.
Hindi ko makasabot.
Sige nga kala, hello. Sige nga, come back to Barangay Buluan. Ano ha?
Nakabidyo.
Oh, nakabidyo.
Kasabot kasabot.
Susukat ka ito. Hello. We miss you.
Ikiti magkakasabot.
So this is the Italian we stay during 2009 expedition. So their barangay, old barangay hall. And we stay in this house. So kumusta nila ko na para kami tera. O sige mo, kumusta?
Kumusta na lang?
Sige. Sige, salamat. So this is Dundee House, our tour guide, our base camp of the expedition. Yeah, time to relax and gonna wash up and clean. And that's Grace and Dundee, our guide. Ano, okay la?
Okay.
Ha? Relax na.
No problem.
Tomorrow again. Yeah, good morning. They're already preparing. So preparing now. We're going back to Hagodol Cave. In Dalos Doson. Pwede na? Natawa ka man la.
Hagodol Cave.
Yeah, Hagodol Cave. Explore Hagodol Cave. Let's go to Dalos Doson again for the second time. Tabas!
C'est le roman photo.
Photo. Bye bye. Okay.
C'est la grotte de Marseille.
Misterius na akong ganapan dito para misterius.
Wow, fine aga. Ano, balik na? Tapos na mag-deliver ang loya? Wow, fine aga. Agila kami. Wow, fine aga. Wow, fine aga. Damong karabaw. Karabaw. Balik na ra barangay Buluan. Kami madiretso pa. Yeah. So they bring the product luya going to Biri. So they have many Carabao because they carry the luya by Carabao. Going now to the forest again, going to Dalos Doson. Forest na. Farm here. Going this way. We're in the junction. Namapay na aga. Musta na?
Paano kita?
O, pawayan na eh. Pay na aga, lingkodan na eh.
Master guide ha, barangay Dalos Doson.
O, din master naman, lalang o. Musta na lalang? Kilala ka pa akon? Ha? O, sabot ko din rin ah. Alam man, matutol-tulan natin, ang ginsulod ta. Ano na? Kaya waring nga ni mga pang kaiban loho na kitan. Ano naman, okay na. Sigurado na kita. Pagyan ta. Ha?
Bus ngayon urot na
Oh, mga pay. Sure ball na. Define the cave, I think, going. I said only two, but three people come here. This is our guide from Barangay Dalos Doson. So there are three of them and lalang. Our guide before in Hinabangan, in Kamanbanan, and Amandonggon. So they came from Barangay Dalos Doson. So we're here in the crossing going to Hagodol Cave. So now we're gonna find now Hagodol Cave.
Di ko na sisinirangan karan siya ngon. Dito tengah ning kadto masuk kita nga.
Kato ba?
Daos malas nga gilagadi ang lang.
Lagad.
Na kuno di na kuno mga 20 kada padat na gilagadi ang bayam.
Mamay. Sus. Okay, sige. Paalam.
Go. Tabas.
Tabasco. Yeah.
Tabas ko.
So this is not the crossing going to Hagodol Cave. Okay, explore Hagodol Cave.
Yeah, we go first to the one we found.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that is it.
Is it sun name?
Yeah, same name. Yeah, Hagodol. Going now to Hagodol Cave. Mountain climbing. Maganda. Take a look. The cave here. Near the road.
Near the road, near the motorway.
Yeah. Okay. Entrance on the top. Hagodol Cave. The easy entrance on the top. So we're now at the entrance of Hagodol Cave. Yeah. Hagodol Mama.
Hagodol mama kid. Long side door mama kid. Connected. Tama connected niya dito. Madali gan mag long side. Ma connected. Okay.
The entrance very big. Yeah.
Mama ba ka mama kid bidir gidla.
Entering now the entrance of Hagodol Cave. Very nice, very big. Finally, we found the entrance of Hagodol Cave here in Barangay de los Doson, Hinabangan, Samar. So we need to explore this cave because this cave is connected going to Langon Gubingog Cave, going to Barangay Panayuran. So this is an important cave to explore so that we will know how long, how deep is this cave. Yeah, very nice, beautiful. So entrance of the cave. So we are now here inside, taking a rest, preparing for our caving gear. Yeah. We came from there. Entrance. The entrance of the cave. So we're preparing to go in the cave. We're going now inside Hagodol Cave.
So perhaps we can take a 15.
Hagodol Cave. Yun na eh. So when we enter there, there's a big room there inside, big chamber. So entering Hagodol Cave, beautiful. We're now inside the big chamber of Hagodol Cave. It's a big room now. Nice formation. Chamber now. See the light above. See light. A big chamber, Hagodol Cave. Very nice. Haggadol Cave. Water here. I'm gonna prepare here for swimming. Preparing for the wetsuit. Go to the water. Grand River. We're here now inside the cave. So the cave will still continue. Yeah, beautiful, big chamber. Nice, beautiful, natural pool. Giant flowstone, very nice. It's a big cave. Giant crab here in Haggadol. Giant flowstone, beautiful. They're there, still continue. Big chamber. Now, yeah, lucky. You're happy now? You find a big cave?
Yeah. At least.
Yeah. Nice.
Ayos, ayos. Mga rigo dalawa.
Explore, explore. Eh, kasunod na ka mo.
Sunod, sunod.
Sunod, ang mga gwapo.
Labas.
Labas.
Sunod.
Para kita kamita.
Lolo, kid. Sunod, sunod.
Sunod, sunod.
Lolo, kid.
Chamber there, so we're gonna explore more. So this is a long cave, Haggadol Cave. Very nice, good, nice discovery here in Hinabangan, Samar. Additional tourist spot aside from Amandongon Cave, we have the Haggadol Cave. Nice. Okay, yeah.
So that take a long time.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, we arrive in the sump. Big sump. Yeah, big cave. There's some big natural pool. Found fish. Fish in the cave. Nakakaon ito. Ito, marasa ito. Pero nadako pa ito yan. Nice formation in the wall. The limestone. Very nice. Circular thing. Exploring there in that hole there. So they're there exploring the cave.
Yellow,
Okay.
it's pretty nice.
Okay.
Perhaps, I don't know, many different,
Yeah.
and perhaps we survey more than 400. 263.1
Explore below the cave.
0.0. Gauche. 28.8.
Good, good day. Yeah. Good. Yeah, beautiful underground river. Yeah, very Very nice here. See, nice formation. Beautiful. Beautiful Hagodol Cave. Mahagodol Cave. Yeah, beautiful formation. Giant flowstone. Nice one. Beautiful formation. Very nice. Making pictures. Beautiful. Gallery. Dripping the stalactite. Nih, katanya. Go. Chamber here. Small. See the chamber. Huge chamber. Mahagodol Cave. It's a big chamber here. All the way down there. And they're still coming up here. Beautiful flowstone. Very nice. Okay, sige. Pagawas na, we're out in the cave. Sige. Still fog. Smoke. We got many smoke. So dangerous.
Deep Purple, smoke on the water.
Okay.
Smoke in the cave.
Yeah. Chan. Nice. Okay, out. Yeah, we're out now in the cave. It's already 5 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll still go trekking back to Barangay Buluan. Yeah. They're there. Hiking. Yeah. So bye-bye Mahagodol Cave in Barangay de los Doson, Hinabangan, Samar. A new tourist destination here in Samar. New discovered cave. In the future it will become a tourist destination here in Hinabangan, Samar. Beautiful cave, very long. We started 400 meter, but the cave will still keep going. We're gonna come back to survey again. Nice. Back to the highway, going to Barangay de los Doson, and we're going back to Barangay Buluan. So we're done our caving there in Mahagodol Cave. So good day today. We find the big cave. So not finished yet. We shall return in few days. Tomorrow we have a rest day to wash up and prepare for the forest. In the forest. Ade, tig 250 nila ka mong kakulop.
Ito parigo kami lo.
Hinahatag ko. Tig 250 nila ka mo. Ayan, yung kakulop liwat 250 tapos yan na. Kamo nila pagbarahin.
Lugot tatago ni lugot.
Kay waras yung selyo. Yan ala, ikaw nila pagbarahin.
Di kalit pag darso
Oh.
Balik pero kamo. Lalang.
Dire lang, iba lang kan lang kay dapat duhala. Ako na lang mahatagan na lang. Kaya na era budget na dara mula ito. Kaya di ba natin sa rabutan, duhala dapat ang upod kuntayan ng adto. Inila lang, ako na lang Papadada na lang kuan, Gcash na lang para iya. Baryo? Ano ba numero dito? Marang ka? Diri isusunod ko ang nanyaran, ipamessage ako ni mo mangko na Facebook. Tapos para ma-message ako ng Gcash dila. Kaya waray papel. Eh nila.
Nagulos ka dito sa kub.
Basta waray papel.
Tubig na ikadon to.
Nagulos naman.
Puro gubalpik. Wala akong kanagdulas yung tubig.
Kakon, magulos di mataguro.
Awaray na.
Paray na.
Pero taga-bayad yung mamarang naguhulos ka na. Ito, aset ito. Pastabi. Ito. Aset ito.
Nagulos ka matuod ba?
No, magulos nga. Magulos nga talinga buong.
Oo, di ba na sinumpay.
Wala. Kakulo na ho, yung nalakakulo.
Ala akong Facebook, abay na iya. Ala akong picture dito, naka-helmet. May dako helmet. Tapos ako naungla. Ipa-search ng Facebook, tapos ipa-message ako ni mo umangkon. Na lalangin ni umangkon, amin ng Gcash na
May hamato na tigbo na picture.
ha? Sige mo dito, ipapadara. Tapos i-message ako ng Gcash dito. Pakiana dito ni mo
Problema.
mangkon. Ha? Wala dida? Ato pa hinabangan? Hinabangan ko na lang dito ipapadara. Ma-message ako ni mo.
Lang.
Kundi mo ipapadara.
Nga singkit niya po. Ano yung papel soda?
Ha?
Ano yung papel?
Ano yung papel?
Oh, ito may papel.
Lapis madilim.
Dadi. Tabangin lugod mawaran niya dahon. Maniya labog lang niya, mating dahon.
Mamunyan.
Itabangan na lang po katikat ko. For going home to Barangay Buluan and others go to Barangay Dalos Doson. Damo na salamat sa inyo tanan. So mabuhay to the big cave. Salamat. So hinay ka mo. Salamat tay. Salamat ha. Okay, salamat. So we're going now back to Barangay Buluan. So hiking again for 1 hour. The road going to Barangay Buluan. So 30 minutes walk more going to the Barangay Buluan. Okay, to the village Barangay Buluan. Arriving na Barangay Buluan. Yeah, finally here. Nice. Okay. Yeah, back to the base camp. Yeah, night time, good. Nice. Big cave. Baby cave.
Mama cave. Lola cave.
Lola cave.
Lola cave.
Yeah, back. Finish. Nanay, our chef cook. Marasa, nanay. Marasa ko, no?
Marasa magluto.
Oh,
Di rin
marasa
marasa.
So, dinner time. Sige, marasa.
Basta uto ni sura, ma.
Marasa.
Madami
Oh,
na
oh, oh.
Kung mga dila talaga rin na.
Kapapakal pa yung dilata, kapagal pa. Babukat na nga ni Pagdara.
Kaya kumalit pa sa sardinas na dito ko naka.
Marasanutan. Marasanutan. Good morning. Good morning, Barangay Buluan. Maupay na aga. Today is our rest day. And we're gonna prepare going to the forest tomorrow. We're gonna explore deep in the forest of Calbiga. Yeah, I'm gonna prepare now our breakfast. Time for washing. Washing.
Elle a la couleur de la lessive. T'as vu la couleur, faut bien la jeter en aval. T'as vu là,
Je vais l'acheter, la lessive, je vais l'acheter
oui,
dans la
en
nature.
extérieur, genre là. Vas-y, commence.
Yeah, nice.
Allez, je commence vite fait.
Washing. Washing time. Oh. Washing already. I washed it in the river. They're still washing there. Yeah. Washing time. Nice. So now we're going back. Yeah, washing. Ano, washing na. Sige na. Mag-washing na.
Ayun, tapos po. Ako na. Sus, may hiwan like may brush.
O, improvise na kadlate,
May
Glens.
brush, may tiil pa.
Oh, washing na. So, it's the source of the river somewhere there. There's like a cave there. Flowing, drinking water only there. So they get the water from Barangay Buluan, this cave here. And this is their washing area. For taking a bath also. Okay. So we're preparing our food supply because tomorrow we go to the forest. We need to check our food we're gonna bring in the forest. We're gonna buy other food that we have missing. So it's like grocery.
Et t'en manges pas du miel finalement?
Je t'avais dit, j'en prends un tout petit peu, moi. J'en prends pas beaucoup.
Yeah, we'll find it later.
Yeah,
Yeah.
ici somewhere. No, ici somewhere.
Okay, here. So we're preparing our food
Oh putain, maintenant le miel on sait pas. Ah ouais, là, putain, le miel on sait
in
pas.
the forest.
On va faire cadeau hein, de miel.
Mm. Okay, time for our lunch.
Oh, di da. Uy, di.
Vegetable. We're preparing our gear now. So tomorrow going to the forest. We're preparing all our gears. Some we're gonna bring, some we're gonna leave here. So that's not heavy. So we're still preparing. So we already finished washing, dry up our clothes. So it's now tomorrow's already clean. Ante, our master guide in Buluan. Relax Lanay.
Andy, sir guys, it's unique. Only one.
Yeah, only one. Oh, okay, very good.
No.
Marasa, piña.
Arayo mo to.
Time with the vegetable and pineapple there for dessert from the farm.
Hard life, huh?
Fresh from the farm.
Hard expedition.
What hard? Yeah, eating expedition.
Ouais, we enjoyed the last meal
Yeah.
in the village
Yeah.
before the
Jungle walk.
jiggle walk.
Okay.
No one there?
Rodney went to
Cadia?
Kalbiga.
Yeah? What from?
okay, packing up, preparation for the going to the forest, jungle trekking
The jungle.
and caving. Up. With our spaghetti and pumpkin vegetable.
This is fiesta
The
tonight.
fiesta because tomorrow to the forest.
Tomorrow to
Yeah. Right.
to find a
So our,
new underground
yeah,
system.
last day in Barangay Buluan. Tomorrow to the forest. To the new camp. To the forest camp.
For the karaoke, but the forest one.
So the one